Understanding at the tipping point, a deep dive into language. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language, at the tipping point. This expression is widely used in various contexts, and understanding it can greatly enhance your comprehension of English. So, let's dive in and uncover the meaning and applications of at the tipping point. At the tipping point refers to a critical juncture or moment when a significant change occurs, or a decision leads to a new and irreversible development. It's like the exact moment when a scale tips over from one side to the other, symbolizing a transition from one state to another. This phrase encapsulates the idea of a small action or event leading to a significant, often irreversible, change. The term, tipping point, gained widespread popularity from Malcolm Gladwell's book titled The Tipping Point, where he discusses how little things can make a big difference, particularly in the context of social change. However, the concept of a tipping point has been around in various fields, including sociology, economics, and environmental science, to describe moments of critical change. 1. Environmental discussion. The world is at the tipping point of climate change, where immediate action is required to prevent irreversible damage. 2. Social movements. The protest was at the tipping point, leading to significant legislative changes. 3. Personal decisions. He was at the tipping point of his career, deciding whether to pursue a new path or stay in his current job. To use at the tipping point effectively, consider the context of significant change or decision-making. Here are some examples. The company is at the tipping point, where investing in new technology could dramatically increase productivity. Our relationship was at the tipping point. That conversation determined whether we stayed together or parted ways. We hope this video has shed light on the meaning and usage of at the tipping point. It's a powerful phrase that captures moments of critical change and decision. As you continue to learn and explore the English language, remember that phrases like this can add depth and precision to your communication. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content.